Kenya Railways has vowed to revamp its ticketing system within the next 7 days and provide automation, and that will see the inconvenience, chaos and hassle that has characterized the system be addressed. A ticket will be just one click away. This is according to the Kenya Railways, where they were addressing the press after reports of the ticketing system being run over by cartels.
These exasperated Facebook posts by the chairman of the Kenya Tourism Federation on the state of affairs in regards to ticketing at the Madaraka Express, or SGR as many people like to call, tell it all. Putting into words the frustrations felt by many passengers caused by the archaic and conservative mode of ticketing adopted by the new train service. It is a service that has also seen a new and illegal secondary market for overpriced SGR tickets spring up, leading to the Kenya Railways Corporation putting up this notice. Kenya Railways says that in about 4 days, it is set to roll out return tickets that will be applicable within 7 days of the departure. The service provider is working on improving efficiencies in the ticketing process, which will also see incorporate the use of mobile applications.
Process of that has taken a bit of time because the handover process from construction to Kenya Railways and then to the operator has taken a bit of time. The technical teams had to do a lot of work in terms of ensuring that the handover process goes on properly. We now have all the technical teams on the ground, and we are hoping that all factors remaining constant, in the next few weeks we'll be able to have an online ticketing platform.
In order to improve efficiency, the corporation says that effective from August 1st, Madaraka Express service will introduce 3-minute stops at both Voi and Mtito Andei for the morning train that will now have the stopovers. The 3 p.m. train remains an express service. Operations at the remaining intermediate stations will kick off once the operations of the county trains commence.
We had hoped to commence the operations of the county trains, but we thought that before we can do so, we will first continue with the intercity trains.
Kenya Railways Managing Director Atanas Maina Fada added that official freight operations will commence in December. The operator has dedicated a daily train to transport at least 100 containers of cereal per day from the port of Mombasa to the Inland Container Depot. Currently, the Inland Container Depot is being upgraded from a capacity of 180,000 containers to 450,000 containers per annum.
The ICD is about to be completed by October. Handover should have happened by October, by which time we intend to commence the operations, the freight, trial operations for freight in readiness for full launch.
The much talked about construction of the second phase is also underway. The relocation action plan is now complete. Contractor mobilization is currently ongoing in preparation for land acquisition and construction. Kenya Railways maintains that they have acquired an environmental impact assessment license from NEMA and are working with Kenya Wildlife Service to ensure no destruction occurs in the Nairobi National Park. Ashley Mazuri, KTN News.